Hi guys on YouTube, this is whirlpool adp903 dishwasher. Starting with, as you see inside we have it's the front panel needs replacing, and the other side panels do need changing. As you can see with light doors still as your inside, and so I'm taking this pins in there. And start, you can see, look at that one need replacing. It's rust all over it. This was rusted like this. And this the programs go your. One thing with the program, what the third setting is, I think that might be program 1. I think that might be economy 50. I think that might be the rinse cycle. Program 3. Whirlpool, made in Germany, adp903. I can see the front panel does need changing. Don't. This is late 90s stuff. This is milk. That's your settings there. Thanks for watching. I'm hoping to buy this house sometime. I like this house. Please subscribe to the channel, so leave a like now. Leave a like and that's to keep my channel going. Thanks for watching. Bye.